United Aircraft Corporation has delivered new Su-35S fighter jets to the Russian Armed Forces after completing ground and flight testing, the company announced. The Su-35 is designed to establish air superiority in difficult weather conditions and at long distances from its home base. Russian industry presents the aircraft as a bridge to fifth-generation platforms, combining advanced avionics, weapons, and maneuverability. In a statement released by Rostec, the state corporation said, "Our aircraft plants are operating at full capacity and maintaining consistently high rates of combat aircraft deliveries to the troops." The Su-35S combines the power of modern weapons, advanced electronics, and unique maneuverability, which makes it a universal soldier for carrying out the most difficult combat missions, from covering aviation groups and ground facilities to striking enemy air and ground targets. According to available information, this is at least the fifth known transfer of Su-35 aircraft this year, following deliveries in March, May, June, and most recently in August. The pace of deliveries reflects Moscow's efforts to replenish and expand its air force as losses continue in the war against Ukraine. Russia has suffered heavy attrition in combat aircraft since February 2022. Confirmed losses of the Su-35 stand at 8 units, while overall figures indicate that 163 aircraft of different types have been destroyed or damaged. Those losses include heavy bombers such as the Tu-95 and high-value A-50 airborne early warning aircraft. The Su-35, developed by Sukhoi and produced by United Aircraft Corporation, is Russia's most advanced operational fighter aside from the limited deployment of the Su-57. It carries long-range air-to-air missiles and precision-guided weapons, and its maneuverability has been a central feature of Russian defense industry messaging. The fighter has also been used to demonstrate capabilities abroad, with export interest reported from countries such as China and Iran. Moscow continues to emphasize the Su-35 as a central element of its air power, particularly as the war in Ukraine strains its ability to sustain frontline aviation. The new aircraft will join frontline units tasked with defending Russian airspace and supporting combat operations over Ukraine. With Ukraine expanding the use of Western-supplied long-range air defense systems and conducting strikes deep inside Russian territory, Russia is attempting to adapt by fielding aircraft equipped to engage at distance and support sustained air campaigns.